This is my top tip for answering a 10 marker, which is question 6 on paper 1 when it's asking you about a method. So let's say your question is asking you for outline and explain 2 strengths of using structured interviews. So you're going to get some of the marks for saying that, for example, a structured interview is reliable. Now that is going to leave you, if you don't say anything else, in the bottom band, the 1 to 3 band. So you've got to tell me something about structured interviews that makes it reliable, which makes it different from a questionnaire or from something like an experiment. So we're going to say our structured interview is reliable because it's got a standardised procedure. Now again, that is the same as a questionnaire and also a experiment. So we need to say something different. So a structured interview has 6 questions, it's easy to repeat, it's preferred by positivists. We could even reference a little bit of research. So for example, Wilmot and Young in their study into the East End of London and family patterns, they used structured interviews. Okay, so that will get you some of those application marks, which then pushes you into the next band. And then finally, your analysis is going to come from digging that little bit deeper and going that little bit further, and you're linking it to the point that you've really made. So because you can keep repeating it, because you're talking about reliability, you can repeat it many times. So because of that, you might even be able to train somebody else to do the research, like what Wilmot and Young did, and that increases the sample size and it also makes it more representative. So what you have done there is that you have taken your strength, you have applied it to unstructured interviews, then you have linked more concepts together, which then gets you the analysis marks.